Hi, let's overview a great FinOps tool to save money, and it's Compute Optimizer. So first, Compute Optimizer allows you to get recommendations to optimize the performance and cost of your AWS resources, but also to reduce cloud spend by cleaning up unused resources. And finally, you can optimize licensing costs through automated license optimization recommendations. So in the first example here, you can see directly with the diagram that how you can save by cost categories. So here you have idle savings and here right sizing savings. The recommendation lists, you have EBS volumes, Lambda functions, EC2 instances, EC2 autoscaling groups, RDS DB instances, and ECS services on Fargate. And for each one of them, you get the right sizing savings and the idle savings. So in the list of your optimization option here, you get the sum of savings opportunities, which will be sum of idle savings and right sizing savings. And you get the number of resources that are optimized, not optimized, and idle. So to understand how it works behind, Compute Optimizer use those metrics analyze. So let's say this is the idle criteria per resource. So let's say you want to understand why ECS are shown. So ECS services on Fargate. So Compute Optimizer use CPU utilization and memory utilization. And it says that the peak CPU and memory utilization is below 1% over the last 2 weeks. One other example is EC2 instance. So this is for right sizing. This is the current instance type you are using. And so you pay this price or this price on demand. And this is the number of CPU you are using right now and the number of memory, also the storage and the network. So because you are not using a lot of CPU and memory, you can see here the result in blue. AWS Compute Optimizer is providing you 3 different options here. So it provides you here the T4G.small instance type. So by doing that, you will reduce here the CPU by 4 and the memory here also by 8. So by doing that, you can see here the new amount of CPU you should be using, and here also the new amount of memory you should be using.